The ANC has dismissed the DA Federal Council Chair Helen Zille's comments on the Government of National Unity as an irritation that must be ignored. The African National Congress Secretary General Fikile Mbalula was reacting to the senior DA leader's comments that the new government set up was actually a coalition between her party and the African National Congress and not a government of national unity. Mbalula said on a media briefing that if the ANC were to allow distractions aimed at derailing the party from Zille and her ilk, the party will cease to exist, and said stop being irritated by Zille every time she says she wants to see the African National Congress dead. It wouldn't have stopped even if there was no government of national unity. The Democratic Alliance and others are not going to stop. The DA, like others who want to see the ANC gone, say they eat the elephant piece by piece, but the elephant is still standing and the African National Congress will go down if it entertains the irritation and doesn't do what is right. What is important, according to the Secretary General, is for the government to speak in one voice regarding government programs, for ministers to adhere to protocols and not just pronounce policy and speak out of turn without processing matters, and said the Government of National Unity is not a melting pot of political parties ceasing to be who they are and what they represent, and the contradictions will be there, as there would have been even within the broader situation of a government led by the ANC. The opposition will try to get us in whatever way they can, but we know that we hold sway. As the largest party in the country, there's nothing that can happen without us in this government of national unity. While the government of national unity within the executive has appeared to be smooth, the first test of multi-party government contradiction came in the form of a statement condemning Israel's participation in the Olympic Games, released by Sport, Arts and Culture Department in the absence of the Minister Gayton McKenzie. The leader of the Patriotic Alliance is a vocal supporter of Israel. He wrote on social media that he will express his displeasure about the statement later, as he does not want to create political fallout that will take attention away from South Africa's athletes. But Mbalula came out in defense of Mackenzie's deputy, Peace Mabe. He said the statement on Israel was in line with the government's position, and said we know that Gayton has a position in terms of the PA. He supports Israel, but the fundamental question is, what is government policy? It is that we are with the Palestinian people and we recognize the Israel state as an apartheid state. We want this to stop. He reiterated that the Government of National Unity concept was introduced by President Cyril Ramaphosa after the ANC lost its majority in the May 29 national and provincial elections. What's your take on this one, people? Thanks for watching. Please subscribe for more news.